Hello. So in this video, I will show you how to use credits on CNFans. So first of all, you get these credits when you buy something on CNFans and you have logged into your account. And to use them, you also need to log into your account. And as you can see in the right top corner where my mouse is, I have already logged into my account. But if you click on my account and you go to the section where it says my assets and click on wallet, you can see I have a balance of $0. Um, and if you click on the section below the wallet, you can see my credits. And if you click on that one, you can see all your credits and your details about the credits. And you can also click on redeem record, so you can see what you have used your credits for. But to use your credits, you need to click on redeem products. And if you have any credits, it will now open a separate browser where you can link the product you want to buy for your credits. So that's how to use credits on CNFans.